Maybe you're not even sure what you want or you want to use Copilot. Now you can use Copilot to create pages. So this is that AI portion of creation. There's a couple different ways to do this. Again, this is a new feature. You need Copilot licensing. It is in preview, but it's really interesting to see what that looks like when we're creating pages in Copilot. So again, just like any other page, you're going to see an option, create a page with Copilot, and you can create a news post or a page itself with Copilot. And from this, you give it a prompt, just like we're all used to with Copilot. Go in, give it a prompt. And again, the more information you give it, the more you're telling Copilot what you're looking for. And you can even say, I want the tone to be professional and the length of your page. So you can small, medium, large. And then from that, Copilot will go in and create this page. So again, this is a page we're creating on the hackathon that we did, and you're kind of seeing it in real time, generating these different sections. One of the things too, it's really interesting when we were experimenting with this new feature is it's every time is a little different. You could even use the same prompt and Copilot will go in and the results may vary. So experiment, try it out. I would say, again, just like those page templates, it's a good starting point. I've only seen it get better and better as it kind of has more information to use to create these pages. It's a good starting point. I wouldn't always say just publish and go with it, but all the sections are defined, and then you go in, like Kamal was saying, massage the content, make sure the content fits and matches with what you're doing. And then this leads to, if you're not even sure where to start, we have a number of great, amazing resources on our website. Check them out. But one of them is our 50 Copilot starter prompts. We also have prompts specific to industry that will get you started creating your content on your intranets. When talking about AI, there's the FAQ web part. So I know this is, again, an AI-powered web part. I think we're going to start seeing a lot more of these coming from SharePoint, the SharePoint team in the future, but this was one of the first ones that they rolled out. Again, I think May, June was rolled out. But we'll do a quick demo of this as well. You'll see it. It's in preview. It's a web part you just drag and drop, add to your page, and then follow a series of prompts and steps to get to it. So what we're doing here is we're in edit mode in our page. You can see the FAQ web part. I'm going to add it. And basically you give it a source information, your source file. So I want to create an employee policy FAQ in this case, and then the purpose for it, if it's a policy or general FAQs. I can also give Copilot some additional instructions for context, which is really nice. And from that source material, it's creating the categories. We can kind of see all the different categories from our Word file on the page. We can drag and drop. We can change the order and edit and remove, all that good stuff for the different areas. And then from those different categories, we're going to draft the questions specific to each of those. So you can see Copilot is, again, going through our source material and creating those question areas from it. It's quite impressive when you experience it, going in, seeing it in real time, just all the information just appear like that.
Yeah, it's a great example, like, FAQ type of content, because I know a lot of people end up doing that as well. But yeah, sorry.
Yeah, it's a task I think everyone's been asked to do it one time or another in their career, and it's like another FAQ. Having this takes the pain out of that. We could literally created this FAQ in 5 minutes, which was kind of neat. We already had all the information. And so just going in and creating it. Next, we're drafting those answers for each of the questions. And from there, we're going to review it. Does it match? Is it good? Just like anything created with AI, you want to just double check. You want to vet, make sure that's not hallucinating or making things up. So you're going to go in and in this case, we're going to keep it. And then finally, there is some style things, the icons, which is kind of neat, the chevrons or the plus and minus for FAQs. It's live on the site.